Instagram, shadow banning on Instagram. Instagram is a social network that not only allows you to stay connected to friends and followers but also to the Instagram community at large. However, Instagram shadow ban is a ban that renders your hashtags undiscoverable by the vibrant users. Only your followers will be able to see your feed and not the entire Instagram community. The ban happens only when a rule has been broken. Generally, you can be banned if you violate any of the Instagram's user policy. Other reasons why you can be shadow banned are over-commenting, hashtag overuse, too many follows, liking too much of what you come across. This is because you'll be viewed as one using the assistance of a software. You must, therefore, like and leave comments on only things that attract you while skipping other posts. To avoid being shadow banned, you must ensure to keep posting quality contents, don't buy followers or rely on bot programs for better engagement as well. To know if you've been shadow banned, you can either search your posts under the tags used and see if they appear. If they don't show up, just know you are a victim of a shadow ban. Or check with your followers if they can see your posts. Shadow banning is not a permanent situation and can be lifted. If you ever fall victim to it, the following are things you must take note of in order for the ban to be lifted. 1. Look for any posts, comments, or media that could have resulted in a shadow ban. 2. Delink third-party programs that could have led to the ban. This can include bots or automation software that violates Instagram's terms of service. 3. Avoid using repetitive banned or too many hashtags. 4. Remove hashtags from posts that were shadow banned. 5. Take a break from Instagram for 2 to 3 days whereby you do not post, like, comment, or reply to anything. This will give IG algorithms the impression that you are human and not a software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.